Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome to Mama Shmoo's Homeschool Reviews, where I share all things about homeschool here on my channel. As you can tell, I have a big old box in front of me, and I just got some new curriculum in the mail that I did not include in my daughter's 3rd grade curriculum because we're using level 2. We were waiting on level 3 because they just, The Good and the Beautiful just released the new level, and I ordered it right away, and I just got it in the mail today, so I figured I would share it with you guys so you can see what the level 3 looks like, and I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing. So I'm going to open this up here. Here it is, guys. I'm super excited. So this is what you get in the box. You get the course book level 3 with literature, grammar, punctuation, art, geography, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. And then you get the level 3 personal reader and a poetry collection book, which I think is so nice. Give you like a little flip through of what it looks like. So that is some of the artwork in there. Some of the pages have artwork, some of them don't. But they're really, really cool. A lot of seasonal ones in here, so that's really nice. I'm always looking for poetry to read throughout the seasons. And these pictures are so adorable. So that is what the poetry book looks like. I'm so glad that they did something like this. I think it's very, very neat how they did that. Here is the level 3 personal reader. 9 different stories, and you can pause it if you want to check out all the stories here. The first one is Native Americans and how they lived. And they have a little picture, and this is just a glance of the inside. And I like how they have like black and white artwork. Paper quality is really, really nice. It's like a glossy finish to it. So this book is over 300 pages long, so there's 9 different stories in here. So this is going to be really fun to read with my daughter. She's going to love reading this. Last but not least is the course book, which we've all been waiting for to have it be revised. Right now my daughter and I are working on the 2nd level, so that one has already been revised. And we're going to finish up the Unit 4, so after that we're going to go into this for her 3rd grade year. This is talking about like the differences between this book and the past editions, which I'll probably read eventually, but this is just an unboxing, so this is all new to me. The items needed for the course, about the course, and level 3 at a glance. So this is what it's all about. So if you want to pause it, and you can read everything that it's going to go over. The table of contents, Unit 1, they have Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. So it's a quarterly setup. And here is Unit 1 in the overview. They give you the targeted spelling words and the supplies, and that's how the level 2 was set up. So it's pretty similar. It's just nice to have it printed out. Since I'm printing out the 2nd level, it's great because it's free, but it's just nice to have an actual copy bound. It's really, really nicely done. Like, it's very, very nice. So this is just a glance through the first few lessons of the book and what they're going to be going over. So they're going to be going over geography too in here, which is really great because last year we just did geography on the side, and sometimes we do like a unit study incorporating geography, so I'm not sure what we're going to do this year, but it's nice that they have all of this in here. And the paper quality is so good. It's very bright, vibrant colors, and I like that they have all of these printed out, because usually when I print it out for her level 2, we don't print out this. We just look at the artwork on my computer, so I don't waste the color ink. So that is like a look at the first 10 lessons. I'm going to go into the middle to share with you guys like lesson 52. You're going to be reading about the peasant and the prince, going over homophones, and I like how they have things in different like colors, which is really, really nice. And I like how they have the stories in the book. So that's really nice. You don't have to go into another book to read it. So I like it a lot. It's looking really, really nice. And I'm super excited about it. My daughter can't wait till she gets a hold of this. She's excited. I showed her the box today, so she was really excited. This is lesson 71. That's really cute. You're going to cut out the dog boxes and breed name boxes below and lay them out on the table and complete the activity. You're reviewing like proper nouns and all that stuff, so she's going to love that. And I like how they just section off some of these things with different like color blocks. It's very appealing to me because I'm very visual, so I like it a lot. So they definitely did such a good job with this edition. I'm really, really excited about it. So I give it a thumbs up, even though we have not done it, but the way they set it up is absolutely wonderful. Here is the last lesson, the course review part 3, and then level 3 appendix, the course reading assessment, review questions, spelling rules, and then sign language for alphabet, which is so great that they have this. I have flashcards like this, but it's nice to have it in the back of the book. Not your ordinary book report, spelling rules reference, spelling rule number 2, the challenge words climb. So they have these challenge words in the back. Oh, it's so cool. Like a volcano, and they have different mountains. Very, very fun. Let me flip it over so you guys can see. So here are some of the challenge words. Definitely very challenging. So that is really, really neat. So I, overall, this is the back of the book. Overall, like opening this up, it smells good. I love the smell of new paper and of new curriculum. It's really fun. But I think that this is just a really great addition along with this poetry book. I think it's wonderful. I love the yellow. I love the aqua colors that they used. So I'm super, super excited to start with this year. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I will try to do a review on it once I start using it. Like I said, right now my daughter and I will be finishing up level 2, and we're working through it slowly. I'm not really rushing to get it done because I want to make sure she's on her level, because I know this is a little more advanced, in my opinion, for a 3rd grader, and she's still in 2nd grade. So we kind of moved around with using master books and The Good and the Beautiful for her 2nd grade year. And now we're back to The Good and the Beautiful again. So we will definitely give you guys an update on how things went. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and you want to see more videos like these and homeschool updates and book reviews, I would love to have you guys join Mama Shmoo's Homeschool Reviews. I will talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome to my channel where I share all things about homeschool on here. Welcome to my family here. I share a lot of book reviews and I share lots of homeschool updates with you guys, homeschool planners, how I organize our homeschool, and a lot of other things. So if you guys like that type of content, I would love for you guys to subscribe to Mama Shmoo's Homeschool Reviews. I would love to have you. And for everybody that's been a loyal subscriber, thank you for watching. Today, you guys know it's like my absolute favorite video to do, where I share with you guys my daughter's 3rd grade curriculum. I will soon be posting another video after this for my son's 1st grade. And then I'll also do a history curriculum video where I go more into detail on how we're going to be doing our history this year. It's going to be really, really fun. And then how we're going to do our science this year as well, because there's different things that I have ideas for that I will share more in depth with you guys. So first off, we are doing our language arts with The Good and the Beautiful again. We started off 2nd grade doing it, and then we went to using language lessons for living education. Both curriculums are so good. I think it all depends upon the season that your kids are in and what they need. And so on her own, she decided to go back to The Good and the Beautiful, and I've always loved it. So I was excited that she wanted to. I really adore both curriculums. I think they both have really great, like, strong points. So I know I get a lot of questions because I've done both videos of The Good and the Beautiful and my opinion on language arts for living education. The best thing I can say for you guys really is whatever curriculum fits your child's needs at that time, whatever style you like to teach your kids. I think that's really what it comes down to. We're starting with level 2 because we were doing master books with their level 3. And so we were doing unit 4, the very end of the book, and we're just going to take our time with it, and then whenever we get to level 3, I've ordered that already, and I will do a flip through for you guys because it's a brand new curriculum. They've modified it, so I will be doing that once I receive that. But right now we're just going to stick with level 2, unit 4, and that will take us some time. We're also going to be doing typing 1 by the Good and the Beautiful, and I read it a little bit and it says it's for ages 7 and up. And so they're just talking about position, and these are the lessons. My daughter looked through it. She's really excited about it. And here's some stickers that you put on when you get to, when you complete certain lessons.